अरुण्या एंड हम लोग फिर से मिल रहे हैं इस न्यू ट्रैवल सीरीज़ में। लॉन्ग वीकेंड है तो ऑब्वियसली कहीं ना कहीं तो जाना है एंड हैदराबाद से मैं आपको एक ऐसे वीकेंड गेटवे पे लेके जा रही हूँ जहाँ पे यू वुड एंजॉय लॉट ऑफ एडवेंचर्स प्लेसेस। सो वी आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम हैदराबाद टू हुबली। हुबली से हम अराउंड 5 to 6 प्लेसेस कवर करने वाले हैं and those places are like Honnavar backwaters, Mangroves, Gokarna, and then we will be covering Murudeshwar temple where I am already standing. Lot many weekends coming, so this would help you to plan your weekend journey. तो चलिए करते हैं and ये यात्रा स्टार्ट करते हैं. So people, right now I am at Hubli railway station, and Hubli railway station you can come directly from Hyderabad. You can onboard a train or for Bangalore. So this place is right between Bangalore and Hyderabad, and you can come here directly. The train takes around 14 hours of journey. So it's kind of a bit long journey, but it's early morning, 6:30 right now, and I have reached here. To come to Hubli you can also come via airways. आप plane on board कर सकते हैं and you can come to Hubli airport and then start your journey from here. I have used train because I wanted to come via train. It's been so long that I haven't traveled from train, so it was a nice experience there. Now as soon as you come out of the railway station you would find here plenty of transportation like autos here, and you would also see a lot of buses and all over here, so you can use them and go to the place that you want. So I am here to enjoy my 3 days of vacation. One day I'll also be doing a trek, so it's gonna be very exciting trip with elements of many things coming together. So stay tuned and I'll keep posting and updating you. तो चलो vacation start करते हैं. So this journey I didn't plan it myself. I mean the itineraries and all I have tried using travel people. So it's they actually arrange few travels and group of people, you know, join them. So I'm trying with them. So all the itineraries and the stay, transportation, everything is taken care by them. So let's see how this goes, and note this is not a sponsored video by them. Right now I'm at Hubli station. I was at platform 8 going to platform number 1. They all are waiting there. It's a long walk, so it's a very long platform. But it's 7 o'clock right now and it's kind of hot already. So people, अगर आप डायरेक्टली हुबली से अपने फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं एंड आपको कहीं भी हुबली में वेट नहीं करना है, फ्रॉम 1 के एग्ज़िट के जस्ट बाहर ऑन दिस वे आपको खाने की ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. आप यहाँ पे खाना खा सकते हैं, और अगर आपको फ्रेशन अप भी होना है, जैसे कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग है, सो यू वांट टू गो टू लू एंड ब्रश एंड एवरीथिंग, तो यहाँ पे पेड वेटिंग हॉल है. जस्ट दिस साइड इज़ द पेड वेटिंग हॉल. ये प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 में है, फुट ओवर ब्रिज के जस्ट नीचे. आप यहाँ पर आके यू कैन पे लिटिल अमाउंट एंड यहाँ पे आके आप फ्रेशन अप हो सकते हैं, एंड फ्रेशन अप होने के बाद आप यहाँ से फिर ब्रेकफास्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड देन अपने ट्रैवलर या फिर कार जिससे भी आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं आप यहाँ से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. सो हुबली स्टेशन में मुझे ये जो व्यवस्था है ये काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. द अरेंजमेंट इज़ क्वाइट नाइस, कि कोई भी लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं, दे डोंट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम, दे डोंट हैव टू बी हंग्री, दे कैन गेट फ्रेशन अप ईजिली, एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर इन प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 जस्ट नियर द एग्जिट. So my breakfast and everything is done. I have freshened up, and So my breakfast and everything is done, and now I am heading towards the traveler that is booked for us. So I'll be meeting new people again in this trip. All those, let's see how it goes. So guys, this is the traveler that I'll be traveling with. It's pretty around 20 to 25 people would accommodate here, and as usual, this is gonna be my seat because you all know I can't afford sitting outside. So this is gonna be my traveler for the next 3 days, and on the third day evening I would come back to this railway station again. तो आज से 3 दिन तक जितने भी एंजॉयमेंट्स होने वाली है, जितने भी फन होने वाले हैं, आप सब उसमें मेरे साथ रहिए और इस पूरे जर्नी को एंजॉय करिए. बहुत सारे लॉन्ग वेकेशंस आने वाले हैं मई and then again in June for Hyderabad, for Telangana people, where 2nd of June is the Telangana Day, which is on Friday. तो आपकी भी छुट्टी होने वाली है. 1st of May को भी छुट्टी होने वाली है. So you would get that long weekend time and you can enjoy this ride. So what's to learn? So guys, Hubli railway station is the world's longest railway platform, is the Hubli platform, and it was like really long. So people, something about this visit of mine is it is not a very luxurious trip, but it is like an adventurous trip. So if you are with your family, kids, family with kids, I mean you could be a couple, but if you have kids, then this itinerary may not suit your plan. But if you are like bachelor or if you are a couple and looking to do something very adventurous, then this is a perfect place, a perfect video that you have landed to. तो यहाँ पे this is the ODP park that we are, we have taken a halt to. So let me show you that. So we came all the way from that side, okay, and now यहाँ पे we are waiting to have our breakfast. Also at this place, if you come, you would find very nice washrooms and everything where you can freshen up, change and everything. So everything is well maintained here. It has a big campus, and that side are the washrooms area and all, where you can also go bath and change. That's another thing. यहाँ से the first place that we are heading to is the Honnavar mangrove forest, and mangroves, I went to Sundarban mangroves earlier, but that time I didn't used to vlog. But this time I'm gonna capture every detail for you all guys, and the journey from here would be around 3 hours something from here. And the way is really nice, the roads are pretty nice, the vehicle is going very smooth. You can also rent a bike and travel these areas. That is also a possibility. You can rent a car or you can come in groups like this. So all modes of transportations are available for you guys. So people, after a long journey of around 4 hours, अब मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ Honnavar, and यहाँ पे backwaters है. So behind me is this backwaters. When you come from Hubli to Honnavar, it takes around 4 to 4.5 hours of journey. आप कैब से आ सकते हैं, आप बाइक रेंट कर सकते हैं. Since I am traveling with this huge group of people, and so we all took this traveler, everything was pre-booked and we came here. So this is just the day 1 of our trip, and अभी हम लोग सब boating करने वाले हैं in the backwaters, and we are gonna enjoy the mangrove. So I'll be showing you everything in this entire journey. So let's enjoy it. लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा you have to come with precautions like caps and all. To come here would be early morning, like summer or winter, but early morning or during the sunset, ताकि धूप इतनी ज़्यादा ना रहे, because right now it's really sunny and really sweaty as well. So either you can plan here to come early morning or during sunset, so plan your travel accordingly. This is a offbeat place, guys. It's a gem place. You should give a try. If you have not explored mangroves ever earlier, then this should be in your itinerary. आप ये ब्यूटीफुल सा राइड एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं तो ये आपके पॉकेट पे पड़ेगा अराउंड 200 to 250 पर पर्सन, एंड आप ये ब्यूटीफुल बैक वाटर्स विथ मैंग्रोव एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी प्लेजेंट प्लेस टू कम हियर. इट्स वेरी नाइस, आई सूदिंग वाटर, ट्रीज, sun and mangroves. So this is a must come place in your itinerary. Whenever you come to visit Gokarna, you must try this place and then heads towards Gokarna. So behind me is this backwaters, and here I am having the famous Gadbad ice cream and with this killer view. So guys, after exploring this beautiful hidden gem which is Honnavar, you can come back and then enjoy some fresh coconut water that they serve here. It's really fresh and बहुत ही tasty coconut water था. Now the next spot that I'll be visiting is Murudeshwar temple. So Murudeshwar temple from here is around 25 kilometers around. तो सबसे पहले I'll be going to the hotel, getting freshen up there, would be changing, and then I'll be visiting the temple. So I am thinking once I reach the hotel, first I'm gonna hit the beach, and then after hitting the beach, then I'll go to the temple and then enjoy the sunset and all. So let's see what all we could cover, how the time permits, what all happens. But this is the rough planning that I have right now. Hope you enjoyed Honnavar backwaters, and if you have visited here already, then do share with us in the comment how did you liked it or what was your experience. And in case you have not come to this place yet, then you should surely come here and enjoy this beautiful gem over here.